Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the affiliate marketing strategy you can use today to make passive income. If you need to earn passive income, you may need to apply different strategies including affiliate marketing. This affiliate marketing strategy allows you to earn 80% commission on every sale you have made. Without wasting time, let's get started. So now let's try to calculate. Maybe you are going to be making, let's take an example of 200 USD as a sales you have already made every day. So for instance, the 200 USD, this would be the total sales. So let's suppose that you're gonna be also making 100 USD, for instance. That is 100 USD as total sale a day. Let's take it to those two examples. You have 200 USD and 100 USD. So as we are going to be making 80% of it, if you're gonna be making also 8% of 100, that's gonna be USD 8. You'll be able to earn from this, and also here you'll be able to make 16 USD as a commission you have made from the purchase of the sales also you have already made. So that means the more you sell the product, the more amount of money you're going to be making. Also, you may need different strategies to be able to achieve this. So that affiliate marketing platform also is called the Target. So what you need to do is to come into browser and type Target. That is a shopping platform, and also I click on it. You can see it's target.com. So after clicking on the target.com, you can see now I'm going to be going to the platform itself. You can see they have a lot of products. Now among them you will be able to recommend to sales to be selling, and also the more sales you're gonna be making, the more money you'll be able to make. After this, I have to scroll down and see. You can see at the bottom of it we have this affiliate program, also affiliate partners. So I have to click on it here. Now after clicking on these affiliate partners, I'm gonna open it, this link. After opening this link, I'm gonna be direct to the affiliate partners platform or to the affiliate marketing page. So what you need to do, you need to click on this apply button. So this apply icon. As I click on it, you can see they are gonna be taking me to the application. So you can see the process to become the partner is to sign up, and also it is quick, easy, and free. Now inspire your audience. Now you have to create a content as well, brands, seed promos, and also you need to apply your strategies. Depending on the strategies you're having to be using to use to ensure that you attract this kind of audience. Now earn up to 8% commission for every sale you're gonna be making through the link. So now what I need to do, let me click on this apply now. So once I click on apply now, you can see they are redirecting me to the platform, to the sign up page. I have to verify myself. After verifying myself, you can see they are also taking me to this dashboard where I have to sign up and start earning. This is the Impact, which is one of the affiliate partners where different institutions are working, are making the affiliate through. So now I have to sign up either using one of these accounts. If you have one, let me use Google. So now after clicking on it, you can see they are giving me the dashboard where you have to click and complete this information. What you need to do, you need to complete all this information, and also the first name, the last name, the phone number, and also you have to add the phone number, select the country. Then you need to be clicking here and delete the agreement of terms of policies that you'll be following when you're doing this affiliate marketing, affiliate.target.com commission rate. You can see also they have attached the link. You need to be reading everything here. As you can see, it's directing you to the same page. Now after this, you fill your phone number, then you verify it. So after adding your phone number, they will send you OTP to verify. Now you have to add the OTP they sent you on your mobile phone number to verify. Once you are done the verification, you're proceeding to the next step. So now let me click verify, and also after clicking on the verify, they are taking me to the page where I have to select whether I'm social influencer, content reviews, loyalty rewards. Now I have to select which option will you be using to be promoting this platform. Let me select deal and coupons as the one. You can be also selected the one, and also here they are taking you to the platform or to the page where you have to add different links. Here you have to add website if it's the one you're gonna be using, and also you can add it via Google Analytics for them to verify how much audience are you going to be having. Also, you can be adding mobile app if you have one. You can be adding social, maybe YouTube, maybe TikTok, maybe Twitch, LinkedIn. Also, you can be able to add different categories of data. Let's suppose you can be able to add newsletter if it's the one you have already selected. It all depends on which one you have selected. So now you need to be adding all the information they are requesting you, and once you are done, also you have to click save. So what you need to do is that you need to ensure that you have the ways you'll be using to promote this platform or to promote this product. And also once you are done, you come and submit your application. Once your application is approved, you can start getting also different links and banners to be starting making money with the target. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in our comment section. Also remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Max TV. Also turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.